Alright, cool. I got the video camera on.
There's one more in here. I'm going to move it up.
Alright.
And I'm just going to stick it in my plastic bag right here.
Alright. What does that?
How do I do it?
You just watch it. It's already on. You just point it.
Okay. Do I have to tap a button?
No. You just
Okay.
point. It's already on.
Okay. To the right?
About there?
Yep. Pull the trigger. To the right a little bit. Right there. Shit. That's the last one's in the bottom. Is there a zoom feature on this?
There is, but I don't know how to use it.
Viewfinder, image.
Up. To the right. 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 Right there is dead center. Down a little bit. To the right. Right there. That's it. Let's make that last one. See, one thing you can do is just to make sure the gun is pointed dead